Beautiful crochet basket style and crochet basket with different styles and different ideas and beautiful applique style, flower basket applique style, like crochet ideas and crochet fashion styles looks. Like here are some ideas: crochet pattern and crochet ideas, like continue increasing this manner until the base is the described size for your basket. Once the base is large, and large size work, even now increasing for several rounds until the basket has tell us you want it. And you can add texture or design elements by incorporating these different stitches or color changes. Optionally, create handles by skipping a few stitches and changing a thread length. Single crochet back into this chains to secure these handles, and continue single crocheting around until you reach the thread height of the handles. Fasten off and weaving in ends. Feel free to customize this pattern by adjusting the size, editing details, or experimenting with different stitches. Happy crocheting. Take care and bye bye. See you soon.